Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Yellow color, green color, black color, violet color, purple color and sky blue color. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, A, E to Z. Let's trace. This is letter A. Now we are tracing letter B. This is letter C. Now we are tracing letter D. Kids, this is letter E. Now we are tracing letter F. This is letter G. Now we are tracing letter H. This is letter I. Now we are tracing J. This is letter K. Now we are tracing letter L. Kids, this is letter M. Now we are tracing letter N. This is letter O. Now we are tracing P. Kids, this is letter Q. Now we are tracing letter R. Kids, this is letter S. Now we are tracing letter T. This is letter U. Now we are tracing letter V. And this is letter W. This is letter X. And Y. This is letter Y. Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.